Salman Khan has found himself at the center of another controversy linked to one of the most talked about legal battles of his career. This time, the issue is not a court hearing or any paparazzi interaction. Instead, it is a film that is allegedly based on the Black Bunk poaching case controversy. According to reports, Salman Khan's legal team has sent a legal notice to the makers on an upcoming film titled Kala Hiran: The Battle for Legacy. The notice reportedly demands that the film's release be stopped and that the promotional material related to the project be removed. The actor's legal team has argued that the film appears to be inspired by the Black Bunk poaching case involving Salman Khan and could potentially harm his reputation. So what exactly is this film? Kala Hiran has been announced by the producer Amit Jaini and is being directed by Bharat Srinade. The makers have openly stated that the film draws inspiration from the 1998 Black Bunk poaching case involving Salman Khan. They have also indicated that the film touches upon the long-running controversy and the threats linked to the gangster Lawrence Bishnoi and the Bishnoi community's objections to the case. The first look poster of the film has already been unveiled. The teaser is reportedly scheduled for the release on June 20. According to the makers, the film combines courtroom drama, crime and thriller movements while recreating events surrounding the case. Now, to understand why this issue is so sensitive, we need to go back to 1998. During the shooting of Hum Saath Saath Hain near Jodhpur in Rajasthan, Salman Khan was accused of hunting black bucks, a protected species that is considered sacred by the Bishnoi community. The case triggered a legal battle that has stretched for nearly 3 decades. And over the years, there have been multiple trials, appeals, convictions connected to the matter. In 2018, a Jodhpur court convicted Salman Khan and sentenced him to 5 years in prison, although he later secured bail while continuing to challenge the conviction. The legal proceedings are still not entirely over. The controversy also gained renewed attention in recent years because of the repeated threats by the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, which has cited the Black Buck case as one of the reasons behind its hostility towards the actor. And that is precisely why the film has generated so much attention even before its teaser launch. Supporters of the film argue that filmmakers have right to depict real-life events. However, Salman Khan's legal team appear to believe that the project crosses a line by drawing heavily from an ongoing and highly sensitive legal matter. As of now, the makers of Kala Hiran have not backed down and the dispute could soon move into the courtroom. The big question now is whether this film will reach the audience as planned or whether this legal battle will stop it before the release. We'll be continuing to track the case. For more details, make sure you subscribe to FPJ Showbiz.